Hello! Today we are going to make some DIY croutons with some of my old rolls that I have. They've sitting in the fridge for 2 days. So we're going to make some DIY croutons. So all I'm going to do, this always works better with older bread, like at least a couple days old. So I'm just going to cut these into pieces. You can cut them up whatever size you want. I'm going to put them in this bowl. I think homemade croutons are really good, especially if you make your own bread. At least you know what goes into it. Like I said, you can just cut this any size you want. It doesn't matter. Whatever size croutons fit your salad, if you have guests. And you can really flavor it with anything of your choice. Today I have salt, avocado oil, because avocado oil has a high smoke point, and I just like avocado oil better for that reason. You could do coconut oil also if you want to melt it, or you can get the kind that's already melted, that's not solid. Okay, so let me finish cutting these up, and then I'm going to spray. I have this really cool spray bottle that I got for oil. So I'm just going to move this aside. And I'm just going to spray. I feel like it gets an more even coat when you can spray it. And I'm just going to use my hands to mix it up a little bit. We're going to spray again. Especially if you're conscious too about how much oil you put on things. Like, I know it looks like I'm putting a lot of oil on this, and maybe so, but it's got to be enough to hold on to the ingredients. So now I'm gonna just add some salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. I have some oregano from my garden. I dried it, and then I grew it, and then I dried it. I put it in the NutriBullet and got that all mixed up. I have some onion powder here. And it's really to your taste. Whatever your taste buds tell you, that's how much you put on it. Some people like just a little bit of seasoning. Maybe you just want salt and pepper. I personally like, I like my food really flavored. And now I'm just gonna do some pepper. Ooh, I just thought of something else. Another thing I wanna do, I like really spicy food. I grew cayenne peppers in my garden, so I dried them. As a matter of fact, let me just show you really quick. I pick them, and then I put them in this bowl, and they dry. I have some rosemary here too. Ooh, let's put some rosemary in. Ooh, and I have some thyme. Let's put that in. It's already dried. I picked it probably 3 days ago. And I just put little things in that bowl and let it dry out. So yeah, this is a great idea. Okay. Anyway, so then I take the peppers, I dry them out, and then I just put them in, again, my NutriBullet. I'm going to spray a little bit more oil on top of this. And let's just put a little bit of cayenne, just enough to give it a little bit of spice. And now I'm just going to use this spoon and mix it all up. It's literally that easy. I'm going to spray a little bit more oil on it. That helps make it crispy. That's the way I like it anyways. You could even do it without oil if you want. I don't know how the ingredients would stick, but Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, and we're gonna cook it in the recipe. At the end, I will tell you what temperature I put it on and how long I put it in for. So just stay tuned. Okay, I just am finished now with the croutons. I had them at 375 for 10 minutes. Okay. They are so crispy and delicious looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour them in the bowl here. If you're wondering about this bowl, I actually make pottery and paint, do watercolors and paint the pottery before it's fired. Okay, there's the croutons. I'm gonna take a bite and show you how crispy they are. So we'll just take one here. And it's so good. These would be delicious even for a snack. Anyway, I'm gonna make a salad for lunch, and then I'm gonna add the croutons on it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask. These are super simple. They don't take long to make. It's a really great idea for leftover rolls, leftover bread. If you make sourdough bread, focaccia, just regular white sandwich bread, whatever bread that you have. I've even made croutons with hot dog buns, with old hamburger buns that have just been sitting in my fridge for 4 days. So really you can use this recipe for anything, and it's amazing. Thank you, and I hope you just make a great day.